Hello students, welcome back once again to the second video lesson of our writing section. Today in this video we will be looking into article writing, which you will find in your textbook page number 117. So what is an article writing? What is an article? An article is a piece of non-fiction prose writing specially meant for newspaper and magazines. So basically we write an article for newspaper and magazines. It usually describes something, for example, writers' personal opinion, findings of research, etc. The article can be formal, semi-formal, or informal, depending on the reader. Now let us look at the features of an article. 1. An eye-catching title which attracts the reader's attention and suggests the theme of the article. Now here, this is the most important part of an article okay? The title of the article should be an eye-catching, attractive title, okay? So that by the very title itself, it should be able to grasp the attention of the reader. An introduction which clearly shows the topic to be covered and keeps the reader's attention. 3. The main body of 2 or 5 paragraphs in which the topic is further described in detail. 4. The conclusion, summarizing the topic or a final opinion or recommendation. Objectives of writing an article. Let us try to see the reason as to why an article is written. To express personal opinion, to present information on a variety of themes in a long and sustained piece of writing. To inform the people, to persuade them, to entertain them, or to convince them. Now here are some points to remember when writing an article. A. Heading, title. Eye-catching, clear, and interesting. So, as I said before, the title or the heading of the article should be an eye-catching one. Okay, should be an eye-catching. That means it should be attractive, clear, and interesting. B. Avoid using vocabulary which you are not familiar. Use simple but effective language. So avoid using words which you are not sure of, okay, whose meaning you are not sure of. So it's always better if you use simple but effective language. C. Avoid repetition of points. D. While writing the article, make sure that the ideas are presented in a planned and systematic way. E. Use active voice and passive voice sentences. But active voice sentence sounds simpler. It sounds very simpler and easy to readers. Article can be written in first person, that is I, but it should not be about you. Okay. G. Follow the word limit given in the question. And at can you see at the end there is a note? Now here, I personally suggest to box your article writing. Okay, to make a box for your article writing, as it makes the article look more attractive, and also it may favor you when it comes to securing good marks. Now let us look at the format of article writing. So the first one, A. Like I told you, articles are written for newspaper and magazines. So now we will see the format that should be followed when we write article for newspaper and magazines. The first one is the heading or title. Now this should be written in the center of your article, okay? It should be eye-catching but short, consisting not more than 4 to 5 words. It should arouse the interest of the reader, and the reader should come to know what the article is about after reading the title, so that he or she may be mentally prepared for the topic. Number 2, byline. Now, byline means the name of the person who has written the article. Now, it should be written just below the title, okay? Just below the heading, your byline should come. The name of the byline, that is the person who has written the article, the name sometimes is given the question. And if it is not given, then you can use a fake name, okay? Now, number 3, introductory paragraph. Now, leave one line and write the introductory paragraph. Try to begin with a proverb or quote which catches the attention of the reader. Now, the proverb or quotation must be in accordance with the title of the article. Number four, the body of the article. Now you can write this in 2 or 3 paragraphs. Introduce a new point, okay? As you start the paragraph, as you start writing it into paragraph, you try to introduce a new point at the end of each paragraph. Remember to leave one line and start a new paragraph. And in this paragraph, in the body of the article, and it should include the details of the reasons, advantages, disadvantages, effects, etc. Okay? And the last one, conclusion. This paragraph concludes the article, and it should be simple and precise, okay? So in the conclusion part of the article should be able to offer suggestions or solutions. So try to write a good and logical ending. Now, my students, we will look into the format for school magazines in the next video.